I'm going to do a very slow version of how to cast on, for those of you who have written and said my other one was too fast. I'm going to go very slow. You take your yarn, you put it around your needle, and you simply make a loose tie. Just like that. Very simple. I'm going to do that again so you can see. You take your yarn, you tie it around the needle, and that is going to be your first stitch. You're going to take your other needle, you're going to put it through the back and make an X. You're going to hold on to this tail in your left hand, and however it's comfortable for you to hold the yarn, you're going to hold it. This is how I hold my yarn. I wrap it around my index finger, and then through the bottom, and wrap around the top. But here's the easiest way for you to do it to learn. Just hold on to the yarn, wrap it around the needle so it comes through the X. Take your needle that's in your right hand, pull it through till you see that stitch. Pull the stitch forward, and then take your needle that's in your left hand, put it in the front and through the back, take the other needle out and pull. Now you have 2 stitches. I'm going to show you how to do that again. You're still going to hold on to that tail. You're going to take the needle in your right hand. You're going to put it through, making an X. You're going to take the yarn in your right hand, put it over the needle, push it with your index finger of your other hand until you see that it's hooked onto the stitch. Pull it forward, twist it around, take your other needle from your left hand, put it in the back, take your other needle out, and pull it through. Now you have 3 stitches. I'm going to show you again. Take your needle, make an X. You can let go of the tail now because it's not going to go anywhere. Take your yarn, put it around the back of the needle to the front of the needle, holding it with your right hand, pushing with your left hand index finger till you see the stitch, pull it forward, twist the needle around, put it through, and pull the needle out. Now you have 4 stitches. Once again, put the needle through to make an X. Take your yarn in your right hand, put it around the back of the needle to the front of the needle, hold it with your right hand, pushing it with your left hand until you see that stitch right there. Pull it forward, twist it around, take your left needle, put it through the stitch, take your needle out, and pull. Don't pull real tight, just pull. You want your stitches to be able to move easily. Once again, take your needle, put it through the back of the stitch, make an X, take your yarn, put it around the back of the needle, the front of the needle, pull and push with your left index finger till you see the stitches on the needle, pull it forward, take your left hand needle, put it through the front of the stitch, and pull your other needle out. Again, make an X. Put your yarn around the back and the front, push, pull, twist, put your needle in, take your needle out, and pull. One more time. Put your needles in to make an X. Take your yarn, put it around the back of the needle, the front of the needle, hold on to the needle with your right hand, push with your left index finger till you see that stitch, pull forward, twist, put your left hand needle through, take your right hand needle out. So I'm going to do it a few more times without saying anything. See if you can follow this. It's so easy and so meditative and so relaxing. You can go on and on and on for as many stitches as you need to cast on. For practice purposes, you should probably do at least 40. So again, you put your needle in, make an X around the back to the front, push with your index finger, pull, and twist. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you have as many stitches on as you need, you're ready to start knitting. You can watch my video, how to do the knit stitch, to see how to start the next row. Good luck. I hope this was slow enough.